Hello everyone, I'm AT the Speedcube, and today we're going to be unboxing a package from speedcube.com.au. So I'm just going to open this. So here I have, so I don't give you my address. So I think you might be able to see, but there, on receipt, I have Lubicle Silk. I have X-Men pyraminx. Nice. I just have to change the camera angle, and I don't want. So here, I'm just going to. Oh my goodness. Oh, some extra magnets. And why is this not in plastic wrap? But oh my, that turns really well. I can hear some spring noise. Yeah. This bag. So, Lubicle Silk, pyraminx, and a bag. So I'll show you once I put all my cubes in here. Okay, so I have 2x2, so I might just run through it quickly. 2x2, 2 and 3x3, again 3x4, 4x4, which I am custom line. 5x5 Yushin, pretty outdated, but it's cheap. 6x6 Yushin Little Magic, it's a budget one. Scube, QIyi, pyraminx, X-Men Bell. Megaminx, I'm just guessing. Shangshao, and here is a X-Men Volt Square one. And up here, Lubicle Silk, Lubicle Speedy, Gen V3, GS Nut, Gen V2, GS Nut. And timer pamphlets. In case I forget algorithms and I need to learn something desperately quickly. So, yep. That's my mains. Bye, I'm AT the Speedkeeper, and goodbye. See you next time.